Problem 710. A nominal interest of 3% compounded continuously is given on account. What is the accumulated amount of 10,000 pesos after 10 years? So proceed to the solution. So we have here the general solution of the compounded interest. So dp over dt equals to rp. Next, gamitan nato siya og variable separable. So mahimo na siya dp over dt equals to rdt. So next step is ato siyang i-integrate both sides. So mahimo siya lnp equals to rt plus c. So next is ato siyang exponentiating both sides. So mahimo siya le which is ang exponential lnp equals to e raised to the power of rt plus c. So cancel na ang ln, mahimo na siya bring down tong p, mahimo na siya ni og e to the power of rt plus c. So kung ato siyang ikuan, mahimo na siya og p equals to e rt times e raised to the power of c. Kung ato siyang i-times, mahimo na siya og p equals to c e r t. So ato na siyang ang c ato na siya equals to PO para makakam up taw formula nga P equals to PO e raised to the power of t. So ang kaning P mao na siya ang future amount, ang PO ang initial amount, ang R the rate, and T is the time. So after ana ato na siyang i-plug in na nato ang mga given kanang 3% of 10,000 and 10 years. So mahimo na siya og P equals to ang PO is the initial amount, ang 10,000 e raised to the power of RT, ang rate nato which is 3%. So mahimo na siya og 0.03 times sa atong T which is 10 years. So P equals to 10,000 e, kung ato siyang i-times mahimo na siya og 0.3. Then ato siyang i-calculate, pwede na ato siyang dito una pa siya nag-calculate sa calculator. So makakama up ta og P equals to 13.49.58808. So ato siyang i-round off into 2 decimal. So may mo siya 13,498.59. So mao na siya ang final answer. So atong pangitaon diri kung asa siya na bilong. Ang 13,498.59 So letter D ang iyang pinaka-duol. Problem 743. What is the cofactor of the second row, third column element of the matrix A? So first step, we're going to calculate the minor of the matrix. So the problem stated that what is the cofactor and the second row, third column of the element. So we're going to cover up the second row and the third column. So the number that remaining is we're going to use it to calculate the minor of the matrix. So the remaining numbers is 2, 3, 0, and 5. So n equals to 2, and next step is we're going to cross multiply the so 2 times 3, then minus the 0 times 3 equals to 10. 5 to 5, sorry, equals to 10. So next step is we're going to find the cofactor of the matrix. So the formula for getting the cofactor is cofactor base of I and j equals to -1 raised to the power of row plus the column times the minor. So the minor, so equals to -1, then we're going to use the second row and the third row, which is the I plus j, second row plus the third column times the minor equals to 10. So -1 raised to fifth power times 10 equals to -1 times 10 equals to -10. So the cofactor of the second row and the third element is -10.